Uh-oh, the store's a mess. Let's clean it up. We need to put the food in the right place. Let's sort all the food. Well done! Amazing! That's not where it belongs. Put it in the refrigerator for vegetables. Well done! Amazing! Yay, you did it! Do you know that a seed turns into a plant? Do you want to help reveal a tiny story? Planting the seed. Watering the plant. Seedling. Order the cards in the timeline. Good job! First, we need to plant the seed in some soil. Next, we need to give it water and sunlight to help it grow. Now, the seed grows roots and sprouts into a tiny seedling. Wow! You revealed the story of how a seed turns into a plant. Roots start growing. The seedling grows. A flower appears. The flower turns into a fruit. Put the cards in order to make a story. Amazing job! We plant the seed in soil, and after 1 to 2 weeks, roots start to grow. A seedling grows with leaves and a stem that grows stronger and longer. A bud will begin to appear on the plant and turn into a flower. The flower can turn into a fruit or vegetable with new seeds inside. You are an amazing story builder! We're in the kitchen.
Elliot needs to find some of his things. Can you find the hidden objects?
Good job! You found the sugar. Keep going. Great! You found the rolling pin. Great! You found the salt. Good job! You found the small bowl. Good job! You found the flour. Yay! You found them all. Come back soon for more. We collect the ingredients for a cake. Tap to start. Let's find strawberries. Tap to jump.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Yippee! Yay! Strawberry!
Jump over the obstacles.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Watch out for the honey.
Strawberry.
Jump over the pit.
Yay! Strawberry. Yippee! Strawberry.
Watch out for the honey.
Strawberry.
Jump over the pit.
Yay! Strawberry.
Let's find eggs.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.